Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to summarize as well as ask AI chat questions from our own PDF. So let's get started. So for this we will be using the NotebookLM tool from Google, and it's absolutely free. So first thing is just Google NotebookLM. You'll be getting the official link from notebooklm.google. Just click that and make sure that you are signing in with your Google account. Just click on try NotebookLM, and initially you won't be getting this workspaces, it will be blank, so you have to just click on create new. And the first step is we need to upload the source. So it has multiple sources like PDF, text, even MP3 audio, as well as websites and YouTube links. So in my case I'm just going to upload a PDF and choose file, upload my PDF. And another great thing about this is we can upload multiple PDFs. So if I click again, here you can see since I uploaded only one PDF, it shows 1/50. So you can literally upload 49 more sources, and this not only necessary has to be a PDF, it can be a website or a YouTube link also. So that's a great thing about this. If I close this, and my PDF content is just about the history along with the timeline, nothing much. So let me just quickly ask a question. So this is going to be my question, and if I send it, this is going to get the data from the PDF, process it, and will be giving our response. Yeah, so here you can see it has given me the response just from my PDF. And in case if I want to find where exactly this particular point has been given in my PDF, you can just click on this like circular number thing. If I click this, it just highlights the portion where this has been there exactly in my PDF, the source guide. So that's amazing. It just points out where exactly is in the PDF. What if you wanted to summarize the PDF? For that we are having the briefing doc option over here. Just click that, and it will take some time to summarize and generate some notes. So if I click here, it has given me the entire summary of all the things that has been happened. And in case if you want some questions and answers along with the key terms explanation, you can just click on the study guide option over here. This will also generate some notes which you can refer. So if I click here, so here you can see it has given us a quiz, questions along with answers, and has also given some key terms like agricultural revolution. These are some of the terms and their explanation from the PDF. That's amazing. And imagine you are dealing with the content that has timelines and events like this. So what if you wanted to organize all the timelines in a sequence? For that you are having the timeline feature, which comes super handy if you are dealing with historical things as well as some essays that involves years or time. So if I click that, so it has generated me. So it just groups and orders everything based upon time and just gives a one-line description of what happened over there. This is also super amazing. You can just copy and put it anywhere, and you can just like a quick glance, or you can take notes. And you're also having another feature which allows you to create AI podcast by using this, where two people speak in English, discuss some stuff about the PDF that we have uploaded. So if I just click on generate, this will take some time, so just be patient till that. So once the podcast is ready, you'll be getting the play option, and this is how it sounds.
Welcome to our deep dive, everybody. This time we're tackling the whole timeline of human civilization.
Wow, ambitious.
Yeah, kind of feels that way, right? But don't worry, we're not going to bore you with...
Yeah, that sounds so realistic. If you want to listen, if you are a person who's into listening podcast and you feel you could understand better, you can just try it out, and you can just download this as well as increase the play speed, and you can even share this as a link. So that's this tool, guys. Just use it and let me know in the comments. Also do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.